like me? Yeah. All it takes is a few simple steps. Maybe some skincare. I only use this bag of makeup right here. This whole bag. And it makes me look like this. So, if you want to look like this, I'll tell you all the secrets. And to be honest, I don't know where my primer is, so I'm not using foundation. Or should I? Anyways, give me a little second. Literally, this is all I use, and it all fits into this little bag. Anyways, first, I also don't know where my thing that put your hair back is, so I'm just gonna put my hair up. So first, I go in with this e.l.f. hydrating primer. Squirt some on your hands. Great. Don't have any, so no primer for me. This is the foundation that I use. It's Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint Hyaluronic Acid moisturizes and plumps skin for 24 hours. But I'm just gonna apply just a little bit on the skin. Just a little bit. I just have a bag of all these sponges. I don't even use a beauty blender, to be honest. We're going with this, and I'm gonna just dab it all around. Just dab it everywhere, to be honest. As you can see, it didn't really do much, but now I go in with this concealer. Okay, well, I believe this is from, I actually can't really tell you because the label is gone, so I go in and I put some right under the eye bags, or right where the eye bags are. Put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, some right there, and I take that same beauty blender sponge thing and just blend it. As you can see, my skin looks a little bit better. And then, if you're having a breakout like me, you can go in and just put 1, 2, 3 spots of concealer. And I'll just take a normal foundation brush, which has blush on it for some reason. I'll just blend it like so. And there we go. They're less noticeable now. Then we move on to the eyeliner, and for eyeliner, I don't really do much. I just grab this, the Nike's Professional Makeup Epic Wear Waterproof Eye and Body Liquid Liner. For this, I like to use a handheld mirror because simply I just think it's much easier, but whatever works best for you, really. You can use a standing mirror or a bathroom bathroom mirror, but I like using my handheld. Okay, anyways. And I just go in like this. I start with my upper, and then I can like that, and I just fill her in. And then I'll take it and make it a bit just like that. And then where did she go? And I'll dip it in some more. This is very important that you wipe, because I tend to get a lot on the actual brush and that will not do well for your eyes. So now I just repeat it on the other side like this. Once we put the lashes on, she'll be smooth. She'll be smooth. Then I take my mascara. I use this Maybelline Sky High, or I use the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Sometimes I even use both. I just go in and I do my under lashes like this. Like that. And you repeat for the other side. Then I go in with the, well, first, make sure I have no eye boogies, which of course I do. And I go in with this Tattoo Studio Maybelline New York. And I'll just put a bit on the inner corner, like that. Then I will take it and I'll put some on my nose, just a little bit, and rub it in. I will take my contour stick. Not sure where this is from, but I'll just take a little bit, contour my nose, like that, with a button nose effect. Just blend it out like so. I'm gonna use this pink from my lipstick and just a little bit, and just put it on my cheek. Take that same brush and blend it out. And then it's time for the lashes. I use Fantaction Gorgeous Eyelashes from Amazon. And my lash glue, I use the Duo lash glue. You just take it and I like to put it on the line. Then I wave it around a little bit, blow. You just put it right above your natural lashes. Then I do the next one. This is pretty much the finished look, but for some added effect, you could use this, any like lipstick or lip gloss, just apply it around